Behold, a box of wonders awaits. Within this deceptively simple package, the marvel of technology, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is nestled. The design is minimalistic, a testament to the understated elegance Samsung is known for. The box, with its modest weight, speaks volumes about the substantial device it secures. The Samsung logo, subtly emblazoned, adds a touch of finesse to the overall aesthetic. But don't be deceived by its simplicity, for within lies a world of intrigue. What secrets does this box hold? Prepare to delve into the unknown. Dive into the treasure the box opens. As we peel back the layers, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is revealed. The box, as sleek and sophisticated as the device it houses, opens smoothly, hinting at the state-of-the-art technology within. The first glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a sight to behold. The device, cradled in a protective casing, is a testament to Samsung's commitment to design and durability. The phone rests snugly within the confines of the box, a silent promise of the power it holds. As we delve deeper into the box, we find the other treasures it holds. A sleek charger, a testament to Samsung's commitment to providing a complete package. A USB cable, the lifeline of the device, is nestled next to it. The warranty card and the user manual, the guiding lights for the journey that awaits with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, are also present. Picking up the phone, we feel the weight of innovation in our hands. It's comfortable, reassuring. The folded size of the device is compact, a testament to the engineering marvel that it represents. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, a marvel of technology, is finally out of its box. It's a statement, a declaration that Samsung is not just keeping up with the times, but setting the pace for the future. This device is not just a phone, it's a symbol of what's to come. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, a sight to behold. The first thing that strikes you is the exceptional build quality. You can feel the premium craftsmanship in the palm of your hand. When folded, the phone presents a compact and sleek design. Unfold it and you're greeted with a vibrant, expansive display that revolutionizes the way you interact with technology. The external display, with its smooth and responsive interface, ensures that you're never far from your digital world. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 doesn't just look good, it feels good too. The overall aesthetics of the phone, with its elegant contours and sophisticated finishes, speak volumes about Samsung's attention to detail. This unboxing is merely the tip of the iceberg. We'll be diving deeper into all aspects of this technological marvel in our upcoming detailed review video. Did you enjoy the unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5? Share your thoughts in the comments. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more unboxing videos and in-depth reviews.